Hello everyone and welcome back to Wipe Knowledge. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage access point from Grandstream router. So I have Grandstream GWN700x and it will be working as controller for the access points. So now I'm scanning the access points in the GWN Discovery tool, and this tool can be downloaded from Google or Grandstream site www.grandstream.com, and after that you can scan and you can see all the connected access point in the same network. Now to pair the access point, click on AP management and access point option. Now click on pair AP to scan the available access points. Now select and save. So as we added, it will sync configuration and take some time to get the online status. Now we are adding SSID and enabling the Wi-Fi and giving the name, and we have selected SSID band for 2.4 5 GHz and select the security mode for the older devices as well. And now setting the Wi-Fi password, and in the advanced setting option we have to modify some settings like multicast broadcast suppression should be selected to on, and convert IP multicast to unicast should be selected as active, and we should enable some roaming parameters. And in the device management, need to select the devices on which you want to show the Wi-Fi. So we have now configured the SSID as well, and it will take some time to get reflect on access point. Then the access point will synchronize all the configuration from router. So when all the configuration is done at the access point, it will be online on the router. So now you can see status is changed to green. That means it is synced from the router. Now we can see the details. So you can see here the SSID 2.4 and 5 GHz is broadcasted in this access point, and we can see the clients. So some of the clients take some time in showing here in the router, same as like we check on GWN cloud. So here we are able to see Wi-Fi client and desktop. Similarly, we can check the access points connected client on the info page and current clients. So here we can see access point is available. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.